Hi everyone, day 19 of the 31 days to get organised challenges and perhaps the most difficult and challenging day of the whole month. Because today I want to talk about capital M, malignant clutter. I've dealt with lots of different families and seen some really heartbreaking things. The family that still had medical equipment in their home after their child had passed away. An old, raggedy, relaxing armchair that someone had lain in for 3 months after they were recovering from a very difficult operation. A room from a mother who had passed away that was still exactly as it had been left 3 years earlier. All of these things, when people looked at them, really took them back to a very difficult and sad time in their life. Perhaps you have some of that stuff in your home, and today's the day you're ready to deal with it. I don't want to make light of it, but I do want to emphasize that the person who that stuff reminds you of would never want you to be living with that kind of malignant clutter in your home and pulled into sadness, pulled back into that horrible moment in your life. No one who loved you wants that. So maybe step up today and start to deal with that. And here is how I have dealt with closure for that stuff. And this sounds really radical. I've made sure, one, it gets out of the house, but sometimes I've created a ritual where some of those things have been burned or smashed to pieces with a hammer or buried. That may sound strange, but those things can often give you, those methods can often give you a sense of closure that you have laid that memory to rest. Think about it. If it works for you, please dive in. If not, seek the help you need. I'd love to hear how you feel about this and what you have done with malignant clutter.